Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create a clickable image in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic experience. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by clickable image in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, clickable image are referred to the images that can be clicked and interactive. It allows the user to access or perform certain functionalities when we click on it. They can be used for various purposes such as navigation to a specific page, highlighting additional or important information, or customizing the look. This Salesforce creates a clickable image by uploading an image and creating it as a hyperlink to make a clickable image. It provides several benefits such as improve the user experience and increase the engagement. So now let's proceed and discuss how we create a clickable image in Salesforce Lightning component. So for this, firstly you have to log in into your Salesforce account in a Salesforce Lightning experience. Once you logged into the Lightning experience, your next step is to move to this quick find box that is located on the left side and search for the email template option here. Once you search for the email template option, it shows you the search result regarding it, and from here you have to choose the classic email template option. Once you click on it, it redirects you to the unfilled public classic email template page. Now here you have to click on the new button that is located on the top. Now once you click on it, it takes you to the page where you have to choose up the option HTML using a classic head. Once you click on it, then click on the next button. Now in this next step you have to enter up the HTML email template information. Here you need to enter the email template name, and the template unique name is deployed automatically. For example, here I have entered the name as a course information, and here you can see that it automatically populated. Even you can add the description and the subject if you want to add. Next you have to click on this available for use button. If you doesn't click on that, it will not work. Then you have to select the classic letterhead. From the drop down menu, it shows you some option, and from here suppose I choose the product launch option, and then you need to select the email layout from the drop down, and here I click on it. Here I have a option, so here I choose from the free from a letter, and I also select the encoding. If you want to change it, by default it is selected to the Unicode UTF-8. So after that you have to click on the next button and proceed to the next step. Once you proceed to the next step, it takes you to the page where you have to enter up the subject related to your email content. Suppose here I have entered the subject as a course promotion. Now in the HTML content, click on a email body. So here it is. If you want to add any field, you can use it from the available merge field option located on the top. So here is the text related field. From here you can choose any of the one as per your requirement. Okay. Now to add the text related to the clickable image, select the text and click on the insert link. Suppose here I have entered this text as a welcome team. Okay. So I select up this text, and after that I click on this insert a link button located on the top. Now it's asked me to enter up the URL. Now it's open up the pop-up window shows on your screen and ask you to fill up the link of the page on which you want to render. Suppose here I have entered the page name as a pythonguides.com and click on the OK button. Now click on the insert an image option in the formatting control, and from here we have different images. Choose up the document which you want to add or an image that you want to add. Once you add the image, you can also adjust it by dragging and dropping if it is possible, and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Once you proceed to the next step, you have to simply click on the save button. If you want to add any text body, you can also add it. Now you can see that it shows you the preview of your clickable image. When I click on that image, it open up the website page that I have entered, pythonguides.com. So with this we have successfully learned how to create a clickable image in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and learn how we can create a clickable image in Salesforce Classic component. So firstly, shift to the Classic component by clicking on your profile and then clicking on the option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. Once you redirect here, you have to click on the setup option located on the top right side. Once you click on here, your next step is to search for the email template option in the quick find box. Here you have to type and it shows you option. From here you have to click on the classic email template option under the communication templates. Once you click on it, you have to click on the new template button. Next you have to click on this HTML drop down HTML radio button and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you can select the folder from the drop down in which you want to save this email template. In my case it is already selected, so I doesn't want to change it. If you want to change the folder, you can change it. Then check the checkbox available for use if you want to use this email template. Then you have to enter the email template name and the unique template name will automatically populated. Suppose here I enter the name as a website information. Next you can see that it automatically populated. Then you have to select the classic letterhead. Here I choose the product launch, and then you have to choose up the select email layout from the drop down, and here I choose the free from letter layout. And you can also select the encoding as per your choice. It has various options, but I doesn't change anything. And if you want to add any description or a subject, you can add it. This one is a optional fields. Then you have to click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and here you have to enter up the subject for this email template. So here I enter up the subject for the email template as a website information, and then you have to enter up your content on the email content body. So here I entered as a welcome. I select up this text, then I move to this formatting bar, and here I choose up the insert a link button, and here I enter the website link to whom I want to redirect. So here I enter the website link as a salesforcefaqs.com and click on the OK button. Once you click on OK, then you have to click on the insert an image button that is located on the formatting text again. It opens up a pop-up. From here you have to choose up the image that you want to add from your personal documents. If the image is not present here, you can add the image to your personal document. Here I choose up the image and it simply uploaded to your HTML content. Now you have to click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and here you have to click on the save button. If you want to add any text body, you can even add it. If you don't want, click on the save button, and now you can see that it shows you email template preview with an image. And once you click on the image, it opens up a website page of a salesforcefaqs.com. Okay, so with this we have learned how to create a clickable image in Salesforce Classic. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.